Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but y'all know I go by Shady Shay. And let me just put a disclaimer out there. If y'all see half my bra, just act like y'all don't see it. Just ignore it. I don't know how I missed that, but I did. But anywho, in today's video, we are going to do a first impression, a product review, I don't know, of Beyonce's new hairline. It's called Cecred, I believe, but I don't know why I want to call it Cecred. Cecred is what stuck in my head, but I believe it's pronounced Cecred. And I can be wrong both ways, so y'all just bear with me, okay? Y'all know Beyonce got a new hairline, so just know that that's what we're reviewing today. So first, let me start out by saying, baby, I have been neglecting my hair. I've been wearing wigs. I have not been taking care of my natural hair like I should. So when Beyonce announced that she was coming out with a hair care line, I was like, okay, Miss Tina knows it's helping her out, so she know it should be pretty good. Now, I did not buy her entire line because, baby, I didn't need all of that. I got what I needed, and we're going to start out with the Hydrating Shampoo. But I had to wipe my face because I thought I was grown, and I went and got some lash extensions. And, baby, let me tell you something. Getting water in your eyes with lash extensions, who knew it was hard to kind of clean your eyes? Like, it hurt to wipe your eyes with those lash extensions. I was having a hard time, y'all. But y'all see that lather? That's a good lather. Let me just tell y'all this. What I didn't show y'all on the camera is that the first time I used the shampoo, because it's really my second time, the first time I used the shampoo, I was having a hard time getting a lather. That was because I needed to clarify my hair. Now, Beyonce does have a hair clarifying shampoo I did not purchase, so I just went on in my cabinet and got my little 99 cents. I think it's the VO5 shampoo, and I clarified my hair. And then I went back and used Beyonce Hydrating Shampoo, and let me just tell you, baby, it's hydrating, okay? It felt like I was putting lotion in my hair. That's how much slip and hydration that this shampoo had. So look at my hair, y'all. It looks shiny already. Still got the shampoo in it, but it felt good. It felt better than what it had been feeling, because when I tell you I've been neglecting my hair, I mean just that. It almost looked like I got my placenta perm back. Sure do. Look at that. I got little waves, little curls. So I absolutely needed to clarify my hair. So if you go in and use Beyonce shampoo, make sure your hair clean with a clarifying shampoo, okay? You can go get the 99 cents one, or you can go buy Beyonce's one. All right, y'all. So the next product I bought was the Reconstructing Treatment Mask. Now, I'm not going to lie to y'all. This is by far my favorite product from Beyonce line out of the 3 products that I bought. This is my favorite, because one thing about my hair, if you're new to my channel, I have very, very fine, thin hair. Fine, thin hair. And here lately, like I told y'all at the beginning of the video, I have really been neglecting my hair. I haven't been getting protein treatments like I should. I've just been a bad person when it comes to my hair. So I needed a protein treatment, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to hold off on doing a protein treatment, because I'm going to buy Beyonce's reconstructive treatment, and I'm going to see how I do. And baby, when I tell y'all, run and go get this, run and go freaking get it. When I tell you, it made my curls pop back. Baby, I had curls that I hadn't seen since the very first time, or the very first year that I went natural. My hair right now looks like I got what is it called, heat damage, compared to what it's gonna look like after I use this darn deep conditioner. I mean, no, that's not what this called. What is this called? The reconstructive treatment, baby. So let me tell y'all, apply it to your hair, right? Then take a wide tooth comb, start at the bottom, and comb your hair out, because you want to make sure that treatment touch every strand, okay? Every strand. So that's me taking my time combing my hair out. Then once you do that, you're going to put your hair in a plastic cap, okay? Because we want this to have like some type of heat to it, so you can have the heat from your head just by putting a plastic cap on it, or you can go get a heating cap and put on top of your head. You can go get a warm hot towel and wrap it on your head, but you want to put some type of heat to it so that the treatment can penetrate your strands. Lord, can I talk? So y'all are gonna see me do that. And I actually kept this on my hair for 20 minutes. That's also important. I want y'all to follow every step that I followed, because when I tell y'all my hair came out so bum, like my curls, like I hadn't seen these curls in years. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm examining my hair. Looking good, looking good. I still wasn't convinced yet. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and rinse the conditioner out. So I am going to use, girl, I'm crazy, because why was I doing all that? I am going to use cold water when I rinse out this conditioner, because the cold water is going to close the cuticles in your hair strand so that you just get the best results. You want to keep all that goodness inside your cuticles. So use cold water, as cold as you can stand it, okay? That's always a good tip when it comes to rinsing out your conditioner. So nothing special here. We're going to go ahead and move along. And don't forget to get your boyfriend or your girlfriend's old t-shirt to dry your hair, because what? We don't use towels on our hair. All right, y'all, now I'm finna take my hair out this t-shirt so we can pretty much detangle it. My hair wasn't tangled because y'all saw me detangle it when I had the treatment in, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and section off the back of my hair because y'all know that's where I love to start. At this point, I really could tell the difference as far as my shrinkage. I don't really have a tight shrinkage. I hate to do the hair typing, but I would say I am 3C and 4A. I'm 4A in the middle and 3C everywhere else, if that makes any sense. I know somebody's gonna come for me and tell me no you're not, but hey, that's just what I think I am. And y'all ignore that bottle. I couldn't find my little water bottle that I always use, so hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I just sprayed some water on my hair for moisture, and I'm going in with a wide tooth comb. Now this is the third and final product that I purchased from Beyonce. And this is her setting lotion. This is the only styler that she had on her site. I do hope she come out with more stylers, but the reason that I bought this styler is because it's lightweight. And like I told y'all before, my hair is very, very fine and it is very thin. And my hair cannot handle gel anymore. Like, gel is just entirely too heavy for my hair. It weighs it down. So once I saw that this styler was for once I saw that this styler said lightweight, I just knew I had to try it. So I did not use any leave-in. Excuse me, y'all. I did not use any leave-in conditioner because I really want to see how this styler reacts with just clean hair. So I went in with just water and the styler that she provided, which is her lotion, styling lotion. I don't know the name. I have it on the screen, y'all. And look, my hair's so darn slippery. The little tangle teaser that I'm using, it just slipped right on out my hand. Child, y'all just bear with me because y'all know this is just raw. This is just me being real and raw. Okay, so while I do this pretty much to my entire head, I do want to talk to y'all a little bit about the products. Now, will I repurchase the shampoo? Honestly, no, because even though the shampoo is really good, I have no complaints about it. I feel like I can find, or I have used more affordable shampoos that gives me pretty much the same hydration. So the shampoo is not something that I absolutely have to have. Now, the deep conditioner, what is it called? The reconstructive treatment conditioner that I purchased, I will absolutely be repurchasing that again as soon as I run out. Actually, I'm not even going to run out of it because once I see I'm getting low, I'm definitely going to buy it again. To me, that product is bomb. That is going to be that's my favorite product. That's my favorite product out of the 3 items that I purchased. That is my favorite product. Now, when it comes to this styling lotion, I don't hate it. But I don't know if I'm gonna purchase it again. I'm not really sure. I mean, I loved it. I like it, but it just wasn't something that I would have to purchase again. I do want to tell y'all that. But let me go back to how I'm applying this product. Y'all do know that anytime y'all apply products, make sure y'all get y'all roots. Get your roots, baby. We don't want to walk around with some defined curls on the ends and your roots is as puffy as I don't know what. Yeah, we don't want the puffy roots unless that's your look. If that's your look, then by any means go right on ahead. But yeah, if you're wanting to recreate this, definitely get your roots. All right, y'all. So it's about 2 hours later, and I had went and got my nails done. I done my little makeup, and yeah, this is what my hair looks like. Now, this was at the point where I realized that okay, I really love that deep conditioner because look at the shrinkage. Y'all know normally my hair usually falls to my shoulder. Look how high up it is now. Almost like a bob. It really is at bob length. So yeah, I love it. It's bomb. Y'all try it out, and if y'all like it, let me know in the comment section. If you don't like it, I'm sure y'all gonna let me know in the comment section as well. But definitely let me know what y'all thoughts are. Now my hair was already dry. I'm just going in with this blow dryer on cool air just to make sure that it was really dry, because I didn't want to manipulate my hair if it's still wet. So I just want to make sure for sure that it was dry before I went in and started puffing it, because I do like big hair. If you're new here, I love volume. Volume is everything to me. So y'all see me going in with my wide tooth comb, and I am going to pick. Now here's the thing about picking your hair. You only want to pick the roots. You don't want to comb all the way through. You better not take that comb all the way through. Pick the roots, and you pick it to your liking. If you don't want your hair as big as mine, then don't pick it as much. If you want your hair to get big on its own over time, then don't pick it at all, because your hair will last longer if you just allow it to get big on its own. But for me, baby, I need the bigger the better is for me. And so this is me just trying to shake it. Y'all see I got a little bounce, a little body, little whoop-de-whoop. Yeah, I like it. I don't know if I like that green up underneath my eyes though. I don't know, I might have did too much there. But y'all know I'm gonna go in with my shine. It's time for me to buy some more. I'm getting a little low, and I'm gonna put that on my hair because I love the way that it makes my hair shine. Now I ain't gonna lie, it did. My hair already had like a little natural shine from using is it, how you pronounce it, is it Cecred? Ooh, Beyonce, please don't come for me. The beehives, please don't get me if y'all see this. I'm just, look, we're gonna call it the Beyonce products because that's safe for me. But anywho, y'all, I'm just adding more shine to my hair because I just love the way it looks. It just looks so good. Whenever you got a little shine, it looks healthy, it looks everything. Now y'all see my edges? Y'all, I lost some more edges, but it's my fault because I've been wearing wigs. We're going to talk about that more in another video, but I just want to point that out to y'all before y'all bring it out to me, because y'all know I'm sensitive about my edges or lack thereof. But yeah, I was trying hard not to go in and put any gel on it to lay it flat. I mean, you know, because I just feel like your hair ain't done unless you got your edges laid. And even though I got little bitty hair right there, baby, that little bitty hair needed to be laid, and I'm really trying to pour out this little hair. Ooh, bless my heart. Oh. But I did go in with a little gel because, baby, it needed to be slick right there. So I went ahead and slicked that, and I'm gonna come back with the final look. Overall, I absolutely love these products. I told y'all what I would purchase and what I wouldn't purchase. But yeah, this is the final look. It's the green for me. I'm really not feeling this All right, y'all, this is the end of the product review, or whatever you want to call this video, and I am so grateful that you guys stayed and watched to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button because we have a good time over here. And pretty much the rest of this video is going to be me modeling my hair because I'm in love with it. It's just so pretty. Look at it. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.